Our top story today is the Amazon Echo Show 10. Now, the Echo Show series has become very, very famous because, it's got a speaker built in, it's got a big screen, and this one is really, really big. 10.1 inches built on top of a nice, powerful speaker. You don't need to really connect it to anything else. Of course, it has all the Alexa capabilities. They just work. Just has an added screen on top of it, Prime Video, Netflix integrated. The screen has a camera which detects motion and follows the user by spinning around the base. Now that's the other new feature. Camera on screen can also be used for video calls. Now, one of the parts that I've always liked about the Echo Show, in fact almost all Echo devices, is the far field mics. They work very, very well. You can be across the room and you can still talk to it, and it does respond very well. Speaker sound quality, this time I thought wasn't as good as what I thought the last series were. Motion tracking works well, but only in very well lit environments, priced at just under 25,000 rupees. This is our review.
The Amazon Echo Show 10 is a smart speaker with a screen and a camera. Not just any camera, a camera that follows the user. Is it a good feature or just a gimmick? Is it a privacy concern? Is it any good? Let's find out. The Amazon Echo Show 10 is pretty simple with its design. It looks and works like a smart speaker with a 10.1-inch HD display simply stuck onto it. The display has a 13-megapixel camera beside it. On the top are buttons for muting the mic, volume controls, and a physical camera shutter switch. Both the speaker and display sit on a motorized base, which enables the speaker to take a 360-degree turn. The display shows the time, news headlines, and suggestions according to the time of the day. One can use the display to watch videos on YouTube through the browser or pull up their favorite show, all possible due to the Netflix and Prime Video integration. The UI is also simple. Swiping down from the top reveals quick settings and a button to go home, or swipe from the right reveals options meant for setting up smart features. With the camera below the display and the mics, the Echo Show can detect motion and detect where the user is, and because of that, it can follow the user by turning the display towards the direction that the user is going in. It is especially useful when there is a need to watch content while moving around the room. And since the Echo Show can also be used for video calls, motion detection also helps in keeping the user centered in the frame. The camera can also be accessed by the user remotely through the Alexa app available for all smartphones. Moving on from the display and camera, the Echo Show sounds average. The mids and highs seem okay, but the bass is muddy and sometimes overpowering. This can be altered in the settings, but only so much. As a result, the speakers are not good for music and only decent for shows and movies. When it comes to the mics, they are the best in class. No matter how loud the noise around the room or the music on the speaker, the mics never fail to pick up the wake word or the subsequent commands. With mics so good and the motion detection enabled by the camera, privacy becomes a big concern for the user. In recognition of that, the user can mute the mic and physically slide over the camera shutter. The user can also disable motion altogether right from the home screen. Additionally, motion detection can be disabled entirely or enabled for only a select few operations, or when the user specifically tells Alexa to follow them.
Alexa, follow me.
Overall, the Echo Show is a smart and useful device. It does everything an Echo device has always done, with a screen on top of it to provide additional features of video calling, watching content, and having a UI for simple control of one's home. But at a price of 24,999 rupees, along with the privacy concerns and a speaker that is simply not good enough, these additional features also seem needless. And so, our recommendation would be to skip the Echo Show 10 and go for a cheaper smart display or just another Echo device that costs less.